Good day, I'm Jason Pagong. Our activity for today is during special investigation and interrogation with legal medicines that collection and preservation of biological evidence, specifically blood and bloody fluids. Various methods are employed to ensure the integrity and proper handling of the evidence. First is cutting. Second is tape lifting. Third is weight absorption, and last is scrapping. First is cutting. Brings the bloodstained fabric and carefully cuts a small section using sterile scissors and place it in the evidence bag. Cutting involves carefully using sterile scissors to collect samples such as fabric or other materials with potential trace evidence. Second is tape lifting. Take out a roll of clear adhesive tape, cuts a piece and carefully presses it into the surface. Then lift the tape, ensuring no contamination, and then place it in the evidence bag. Tape lifting is used to collect trace evidence from surface by using clear adhesive tape. This method is effective for collecting fingerprints or other substances that can adhere to the tip. Next is weight absorption. Takes a sterile cotton swab and gently absorb the liquid sample, making sure not to touch the swab tip, and then place it in the evidence bag. With absorption, utilize sterile cotton swabs or absorbent materials to collect liquid samples or stains. It is for preserving biological fluids or other liquids evidence. And the last is scraping. Takes a clean scalp and carefully scrapes a small amount of the powder substance, ensuring not to lose any trace evidence. Collects the scrap material and then place it in the evidence bag. Scrapping involves using a clean scalp or similar tool to collect trace evidence from surface or objects. This method is useful for collecting materials that cannot be easily lifted or absorbed. That's for all. Thank you and God bless.